'Cause what we are, toxic from the start. Can't pretend that I was in the dark when you met my friends, didn't even try with them. I should've known nothing, that you were jealous and possessive, so manipulating, honestly impressive. You had me participating back then when I was running out of your place. I said I never wanna see your face again. I couldn't wait to see it again. We were toxic till the end. 'Cause even when I said it was over, you were. Baby, can you pull me in closer? You were calling out to stay in my head. We were toxic till the end. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you. His favorite game is chess. Who would ever guess? Playing with the pieces in my chest. Now he's on the screen saying don't leave. So that one for me, 'cause you're just jealous and possessive, so manipulating, honestly impressive. You had me participating then when I was running out of your pace. I said I never wanna see your face again. I couldn't wait to see it again. We were toxic till the end. 'Cause even when I said it was over, you were. Baby, can you pull me in closer? You were calling out, stay in my head. We were toxic till the end. I can't forgive you for a lot of things, so not giving me back my. I'll never forgive you for one thing, my dear. You wasted my prettiest years. Back then when I was running out of your place, I said I never wanna see your face again. I couldn't wait to see it again. We were toxic